Hi, Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome to English lesson with Teacher Ivy. Let's start with the first topic, which is Unit 1, Welcome. So you can have a look at your textbook, page 5, and you can find all these pictures. So these are the vocabulary that you have to remember and learn for this topic. Okay, let's go one by one. Okay, the first vocabulary is pretty, which also means beautiful, right? Okay, and the next one is ugly, which is the opposite of pretty. Right, the third picture there is straight hair. You look at her hair. It's straight, isn't it? So you say that straight hair. The next one, you look at the boy's hair. Is it straight? No, it's curly. So you say he has got curly hair. Okay, and the next one, okay, you look at his hair. What color is his hair? It's yellow, right? But you should not say yellow hair. You should have say blonde hair. Okay, and the last one is the word purple. I'm sure all of you know what purple means, right? Okay, so let's have a look at some examples. Okay, why do you need to learn all this vocabulary? Because you will use this to describe people. Okay, for example, okay, look, how can you describe this person? Okay, look at her hair. What about her hair? Is it straight or curly? Yes, it's straight hair. Okay, and what about her eyes? What can you say about the color of her eyes? Yes, it's brown. So you can say she has got brown eyes. She has got straight hair. And what else can you say about her? Right, she's pretty, isn't it? Okay, let's look at the second example. Okay, you look at this person. Okay, look at her hair. What can you say about her hair? Is it straight? No, isn't it? So it's curly. So you can say she has got curly hair. Okay, what about the color of her eyes? It's gray. So you can say she has got gray eyes. Okay. Alright, okay, look at this boy. What can you say about this boy? Look at his hair. What color is his hair? Can you say he has got yellow hair? Okay, you have to remember this word, blonde. Okay, so you can say he has got blonde hair. Okay, what about his eyes? Okay, so he has got gray eyes. Now I hope you understand these vocabularies. Okay, so these are the words that you are going to use throughout this topic. Alright, okay, so check. Now, okay, in page 5, okay, there's another one that you have to remember, you have to learn, which is this one, okay, the grammar box, okay, the yellow box. Okay, so let's see. Okay, why do you need to learn this one? Because you're going to put it, because you're going to write sentences. You're going to use all these vocabularies to make sentences. Sentences, isn't it? Sorry, to make sentences. Okay, so you have to know this to make sentences. Okay, here. Okay, so how are you going to use have got and has got? when you want to talk about yourself, okay, which means you want to say I, okay, so you have to use have got. I have got. Okay, so what do you have? Okay, you look at this picture. Okay, look at the hair. So you can say I have got curly hair. So I have got curly hair. Okay. Okay, what about, okay, if you want to use they, you want to talk about a group of people. They, okay, they means it's more than one person. Okay, so in this picture you can see there are three person here. Okay, so you want to say they, so you have to use have got. They have got. Okay, what do they have? Okay, you look at the hair. Look at their hair. What color is their hair? Yes, it's black, right? Okay, so you can say they have got black hair. Okay, do you understand? So far so good? Okay, let's move on to has got. Okay, so if you want to describe a boy or a girl, a woman or a man, you use he or she, isn't it? Okay, you want to point to that person, use he or she. Okay, so for he and she, okay, you need to use has got. He has got. She has got. Okay. Look at the boy. Look at his eyes. What can you say about his eyes? He has got black eyes. Okay. He has got black eyes. Okay, what about the girl? Can you look at her hair? She has got, yes, she has got straight hair. Okay, do you understand? Are you clear about this? Okay. So we've learned the vocabulary and we've learned the grammar box. Check. Okay. So it's activity time. Okay, look at the module that you received yesterday. Right, this is the page 1. This is page 1. Okay, where you have to read and draw. Okay, let's look at the first part here. Read and draw. Okay, read and color the picture correctly. So you have to read the sentences and you have to color the picture. Okay, let's look at the first one. Okay, he has got brown hair and brown eyes. So what do you have to do next? You have to color the boy. Okay, you have to color his hair brown, right? Okay, so color his hair brown and his eyes brown. Okay. Okay. Then you look at the second part here. Read and draw based on the sentences correctly. Okay, let's look at the first one. Look at number 7. Okay, first example. Okay, he has got curly brown hair. So what do you have to do? You have to draw. Okay, he has got curly brown hair. So you have to draw curly hair. For example, like this. Okay, so then you have to also color the hair. Because he said that, because the sentence there say he has got curly brown hair, isn't it? So you have to draw curly hair and you color the curly hair brown. Do you understand? Right. Okay, so I hope you can do all the activities here. Okay, good luck. So if you have finished